Good morning.
Morning.
Today we are taking a bus from Puno to Copacabana and crossing the Bolivian border. We've heard a lot of conflicting information about it, so today we're going to show you exactly what you need. Will it be easy or will it be difficult? Will we have some unexpected challenges?
And the confusion about it is because Americans, they do need a visa. I'm Venezuelan and I don't need a visa, so it should be smooth for me.
Yesterday we gathered all the necessary documents that I thought I needed, so we'll see how much we need of that. Hopefully we'll be prepared and we have everything that we need. We booked our transfer through PeruHop, which is a hop-on, hop-off system that travels all around Peru and helps with booking tours and the border process when going into Bolivia. It's 7:36 and our shuttle is here. They were very helpful and we recommend using them if you're ever in Peru. We just got off of that bus and we are transferring to the bigger bus to go across the border. We need to fill out a form before we hop on the bus. I ran out of data, so Jose's gonna have to do my form. When we got on the bigger bus, our guides checked if I had all the correct paperwork. And we headed on our 2.5-hour trip from Puno to the Bolivian border. We are at the border.
And I'm gonna change some money first and I'll be back.
So as far as I know, the bus is going across without us and we are walking across right over there and presenting any documents that is needed for the US citizens.
Now we're going to the Peruvian immigration.
Right now we're getting our passports stamped out of Peru.
Alright, so we just stamped our passports in the Peruvian side. Now we're walking towards the immigration Bolivian so we can get the visa for her and stamp my passport. So we just made it to the Bolivian immigration. Now we're gonna stamp passports and get the visa.
Here is where I handed in the documents they needed. They checked the documents, printed out the visa, and made me get a photocopy of it next door to give back to them. It was 2 Bolivianos. The form we did in the beginning before the bus ride gave us a QR code where we had to scan at this building before getting back on the bus. And then we were all set to go to Copacabana. PeruHop, or BoliviaHop now, dropped us off at Hotel Gloria at Copacabana. For those who booked a tour that day, went on to the Isla del Sol tour, and we walked straight to our hotel. We successfully made it to Bolivia, and I got my visa. It wasn't too bad since we had all the correct documents, but it was quite the process for sure. Now that we're settled in to Copacabana, we wanted to review how the process going over the border went and what exactly was needed. Our guide for the bus had a list on her phone and I took a picture of it, so I'm going to read it out loud for what is needed. Okay, number 1, requirement form. They actually gave that to us to fill out, so they should have that prepared for you. 2 passport photos colored and 2 copies of your passport on an 8.5 by 11 paper. Number 3, photocopy of your hotel reservation in Bolivia. I had both of our hotel reservations, all of the hotels, just in case they needed it. And number 4, flight, photocopy of the flight ticket or bus. So I had both the PeruHop coming in printed out, that ticket, and then the flight out we had printed out. And make sure all of the documents have your full name on it, have your first and last name on every document. They're very picky about that. We already talked about number 5, photocopy of passport. Number 6, photocopy of your bank statement. We had it translated in Spanish just in case, but it seems like they didn't really care if it was in Spanish or English. And then number 7, your travel itinerary in Bolivia. I did it in Spanish and they actually did not ask for that, so it's not needed. I asked them if they need it and they said no. Another thing they didn't ask for is the yellow fever vaccine. I think because we weren't going to the Amazon, that's why they didn't ask for it, but we had it just in case. Also, for the $160, you can pay with credit card. So we paid with a credit card. I read online that you needed crisp dollar bills to pay the $160, but you can pay with a credit card, no problem. And that was it. It went pretty smoothly. Alrighty, well, hopefully that was informative, and we're gonna be in Copacabana for only one day, and tomorrow we're gonna visit Isla del Sol, so we're very excited for that, and we'll see you tomorrow.